So I am Pablo Melendez. I am a civil engineer. I work in Daya Foundation as a horticulture director. So today I am telling the story of Daya Foundation. We are a non-profit organization. We are the unique organization in Chile with license from the government to grow medical cannabis. And yeah, I am telling first the history how we start with this non-profit organization and the actual stage we are doing. We are doing different clinical studies in different disease. We are growing 2.5 acres of land in an organic certified land. We are growing medical cannabis, different type of strains for different type of disease. I am telling everything about Daya Foundation. So in Chile, the law it's very tricky because the law authorizes the personal use, adult use, and the medical use, but it's not. It doesn't exist any rules, you know. So, for example, if the police catch you with one plant, the police maybe can say, yeah, you are a trafficker, or the police can say, yeah, you are a medicinal patient. But in another case, the police catch you with 100 plants, and the police can say, no, you are a trafficker, or you are a adult user or something, you know. So it depends the municipality where the police catch you. See, if the police catch you in the best income neighborhoods, you know, normally you will not have problems. But if the people catch you in a neighborhood more poor, for sure you will have problems. So we do a lot of work with the politicians, with the government, to try to change the laws. But change the laws it's very slow because the politicians work in another rhythm, you know. So we are working as well in that topic. It was impossible until we start to work. In Chile, nobody, no university will work with any part of the cannabis plant. But we start to educate and sensitize the universities, the doctors, the professors, and everything to start to doing this research. And now we are working with more than 20 universities in Chile, with almost all of them, because now they are very interested in work with this new material, you know. Yeah. So we have running until now 2 clinical studies. The first one is it's cancer pain, so pain provoked by cancer. That it's a total of 178 patients in a 3 months clinical study. So there we are using medicine, phytopharmaceutical product. We did with NOB Laboratories, it's a Chilean laboratory. This medicine have a ratio 2:1 THC CBD, so have something like 17% of THC and 8% of CBD. The other clinical study it's a chronic pain. So in that type of study is going different type of disease like lupus, like arthritis and different type of disease who have chronic pain. And the next clinical studies we want to do is insomnia, epilepsy. I think that is the other 2, but we have lots of plans to keep doing research for making the proof of that medical cannabis work better for the decisions of the government. So I think talking about farming, I think the only thing I could say about the growing activities here in the US is that I really hope that the industry here in USA and in all the world worry about the soil, worry about the ecologic aspect of this industry. because in all the horticulture industry, almost nobody worried about what it's happened to the how do you say, to the resource, to the natural resources. This is a very important aspect in all our decisions of the farm. Maybe we can lose a little yield, but we will assure that we are not harming the environment. So I think that is the only thing I can say. And the other thing is that the approach of Daya Foundation with the patient is that we want we want fullest access for all the people, not only the people who can pay. So for that we are a non-profit organization, so we worried that all the people, even the people who can't pay, could have access to this medicine.